Written by David Eagleman in Incognito: The Secret Lives of the Brain, have you ever stopped to consider the sheer wonder housed within your own skull? This book invites us to ponder the mysteries and marvels of our brain, an organ that is as enigmatic as it is essential. It's easy to take for granted this 3-pound organ that dictates our every thought, action, and emotion, yet it is the command center of our entire being, orchestrating everything from our heartbeat to our deepest thoughts. But the human brain is arguably the most complex structure in the known universe. Its complexity is staggering, with billions of neurons and trillions of connections, each playing a role in the grand symphony of our consciousness. It's a universe unto itself, a symphony of electrical impulses, intricate networks, and chemical messengers. These elements work in harmony to create our thoughts, memories, and emotions, making us who we are. Scientists have only just begun to scratch the surface of understanding this enigmatic organ. Despite centuries of study, the brain still holds many secrets, and each discovery only deepens the mystery. Each new discovery unlocks a new door, revealing more intricate mechanisms and awe-inspiring capabilities. These breakthroughs not only enhance our understanding, but also open up new possibilities for treating brain-related conditions. Recent research has provided unprecedented insights into the brain's incredible abilities, from its remarkable capacity for change to its role in shaping our memories, emotions, and even consciousness itself. The concept of neuroplasticity, for instance, shows how adaptable and resilient our brains can be. This essay will delve into the latest scientific discoveries, exploring the brain's intricate workings and shedding light on the mysteries that still captivate researchers today. We will look at how these findings are revolutionizing our understanding of the brain and its functions. We'll journey from the vast networks of neurons to the specific regions responsible for memory, emotion, and consciousness, uncovering the incredible potential and enduring enigma of the human brain. Each region has its own unique role, contributing to the complex tapestry of our mental life, uncovering the incredible potential and enduring enigma of the human brain. The more we learn, the more we realize how much there is still to discover. Join us as we embark on an exploration of the universe inside your head, a journey that promises to illuminate the very essence of what makes us human. This journey will not only expand our knowledge, but also deepen our appreciation for the incredible organ that defines our existence. The human brain is an intricate tapestry woven from billions of individual nerve cells called neurons. These neurons are the fundamental units of the brain and nervous system, responsible for receiving sensory input from the external world, processing this information, and sending commands to our muscles. Imagine a vast galaxy, with each star representing a single neuron. Just as the Milky Way is composed of countless stars, the brain is composed of an equally staggering number of neurons, each playing a unique role in the grand scheme of our cognitive functions. Now picture these stars connected by trillions of delicate threads, forming an intricate web of communication. These threads are the synapses, the junctions where neurons communicate with each other through electrical and chemical signals, creating a dynamic and ever-changing network. This is the essence of the brain's complexity, a vast network of interconnected neurons constantly firing and transmitting information. Each firing neuron sends a signal to its neighbors, creating a cascade of activity that underlies every thought, movement, and sensation we experience. Each region of the brain specializes in specific functions, like different departments within a bustling metropolis. For instance, the occipital lobe processes visual information, while the temporal lobe is involved in auditory processing and memory. The cerebral cortex, the brain's outer layer, handles higher-level thinking, language, and decision-making. This thin, wrinkled layer is divided into 4 lobes, each responsible for different aspects of our cognitive abilities. Deep within the brain, the hippocampus plays a critical role in forming and retrieving memories, acting as the brain's librarian. It helps us navigate our past experiences and use them to inform our present and future decisions. Meanwhile, the amygdala, a small almond-shaped structure, processes emotions, helping us navigate the world around us. It is crucial for our survival, as it helps us respond to threats and remember emotionally charged events. These regions don't operate in isolation. They communicate constantly, exchanging information through intricate neural pathways. This constant communication allows for the integration of different types of information, enabling us to perceive, think, and act in a coordinated manner. Understanding how these regions interact and influence one another is crucial to unlocking the secrets of the brain's remarkable abilities. By studying these interactions, scientists hope to uncover the mechanisms behind learning, memory, and even consciousness itself. The complexity of the brain's wiring is truly astounding. Each neuron can form thousands of synaptic connections with other neurons, creating a dense and intricate network that is constantly changing and adapting. Unraveling these intricate connections and deciphering the language of neural communication is one of the most significant challenges facing neuroscientists today. By mapping these connections, researchers aim to understand how different brain regions work together to produce our thoughts, emotions, and behaviors. Yet, with each passing year, researchers gain new insights into this remarkable organ, revealing the intricate mechanisms that underlie our thoughts, emotions, and behaviors. Advances in technology such as high-resolution brain imaging and computational modeling are providing unprecedented views into the brain's inner workings, bringing us closer to understanding the true nature of human cognition. For centuries, scientists believed the adult brain was a fixed and unchangeable entity. The prevailing thought was that once we reached adulthood, our brains were essentially hardwired, incapable of significant change or adaptation. This belief was rooted in the idea that the brain's structure and function were set in stone, with no room for growth or reorganization. It was thought that any damage to the brain was permanent, and learning new skills or recovering from injuries was nearly impossible. However, groundbreaking research over the past few decades has shattered this long-held belief, revealing the brain's remarkable capacity for change and adaptation, a phenomenon known as neuroplasticity. This discovery has revolutionized our understanding of the brain and its potential. Neuroplasticity refers to the brain's ability to reorganize itself by forming new neural connections throughout life. This means that the brain is not a static organ, but rather a dynamic, ever-evolving structure, constantly adapting to new experiences, learning, and even recovering from injury. This means the brain is not a static organ, but rather a dynamic, ever-evolving structure, constantly adapting to new experiences, learning, and even recovering from injury. This inherent flexibility is essential for learning, memory, and recovery from neurological damage. This inherent flexibility is essential for learning, memory, and recovery from neurological damage. It allows us to acquire new skills, adapt to new environments, and overcome challenges that were once thought insurmountable. Consider the example of learning a new language. As you immerse yourself in a new language, your brain begins to rewire itself, strengthening existing connections and forming new pathways to accommodate the new sounds, vocabulary, and grammar. This process of rewiring and forming new connections is what enables us to learn and master new languages, even later in life. It demonstrates the brain's incredible ability to adapt and grow in response to new challenges. Similarly, when someone experiences a stroke, neuroplasticity allows the brain to reroute signals around damaged areas, enabling the recovery of lost functions. This ability to adapt and reorganize is crucial for rehabilitation and recovery. Neuroplasticity is a testament to the brain's incredible adaptability. It underscores the idea that our brains are not fixed entities, but rather dynamic, evolving organs shaped by our experiences throughout life. It underscores the idea that our brains are not fixed entities, but rather dynamic, evolving organs shaped by our experiences throughout life. This understanding opens up new possibilities for learning, growth, and recovery, offering hope and potential for individuals facing neurological challenges. Where do our memories reside? How do we recall childhood events or effortlessly remember the lyrics to our favorite song? The answer lies deep within the brain, in a seahorse-shaped structure known as the hippocampus. This small but mighty region plays a critical role in forming new memories and retrieving existing ones, acting as the brain's memory maestro. The hippocampus receives information from our senses and combines it with our emotions and other contextual details to create a cohesive memory. These memories are then distributed for long-term storage throughout the brain, ready to be accessed when needed. Without the hippocampus, our ability to form new memories would be severely impaired, leaving us trapped in a perpetual present. Damage to the hippocampus can have profound effects on memory. Patients with amnesia, often caused by hippocampal damage, struggle to form new memories or recall past events. Alzheimer's disease, a neurodegenerative disorder that affects memory, also targets the hippocampus, highlighting its vulnerability and importance in maintaining cognitive function. Understanding the intricacies of the hippocampus is crucial for developing treatments for memory disorders and unlocking the secrets of how we learn, remember, and ultimately define ourselves through our experiences.